Robotic Process Systems has more than 25 years of process engineering and equipment design experience dedicated to soldering, material handling, and custom automation applications in use worldwide. Robotic Process Systems Incorporated designs and manufactures systems for selective soldering, lead finish applications, lead attach applications, and solderability testing. Robotic Process Systems also manufacture systems for selective fluxing and defluxing, preheating, curing, and drying ovens, and laser marking systems. All RPS selective soldering systems are lead-free compatible and include the CAM Conductor offline programming software. In addition, all systems are designed to meet applicable UL and OSHA safety standards and are CE labeled for export. Gaussian solder wave technology is one of the reasons RPS is a world-class leader. The solder wave produced is small, stable, features the best keep away in the business at 1.5 millimeters, the best lead protrusion clearance in the business at 6 millimeters, and because it's a standing wave, the best thermal exchange capability. The nozzles are also magnetically clamped to the solder pump for quick change capability in just seconds. Applications include the ability to selectively solder through-hole components of just about any pitch, molded modules, wires and cables, SMT edge connectors, and even SMT components. Robotic Process Systems Incorporated has developed a great product mix of miniature wave and mass selective dip soldering equipment. Rhythm low-cost entry-level selective soldering systems are suitable for high-mix applications. Because of the low cost, it is an easy decision to disperse the systems throughout the factory at the end of every line rather than bring the product to a centralized location for processing on a larger, more expensive selective soldering system. You can solder a 300 by 450 millimeter PCB without rotation and 450 by 450 millimeter PCB with rotation, and the system is repeatable to plus or minus 0.05 millimeters. Standard features of the Rhythm include a setup and witness camera, spray fluxer, quick change 35-pound solder pot, and CAM Conductor offline programming software. The Rhythm solder pot and pump assembly is located on nesting pins for precise location. The electrical, thermocouple, and N2 are quick disconnect, with grapple rings attached to the solder pot assembly for very quick manual or hoist exchange of the solder pot. Rhythm options include a wave solder nozzle, machine stand, and preheat. You can also include alternate fluxing technology, drop jet, or ultrasonic or inline conveyor. The Opus 3 selective soldering system handles 450 by 450 millimeter PCB, and the repeatability is 0.05 millimeters. It has a 75-pound solder pot. One single solder pump can support multiple solder nozzles on quick change plates up to 25 by 299 millimeters. It is also lead-free compatible. With Opus, the following options are available: theta and tilt access, batch or inline configuration, fluxing technology, includes spray drop jet or ultrasonic, witness camera, laser gauging, preheat, and selective inline fluxing are also available options. The Harmony SPX selective soldering system handles PCBs up to 450 by 600 millimeters and is repeatable within 0.05 millimeters. The system can operate in either inline or batch mode. The base configuration features a single solder pot and solder pump, and there are options to add a second solder pot. Each solder pot is capable of handling up to 3 solder pumps per solder pot. Any solder pump can support multiple solder nozzles or custom masked solder dip style solder nozzles. All feature quick change capability. Harmony options include choice of fluxing technologies including spray, jet, and ultrasonic, multiple solder pots, multiple solder pumps, fiducial vision correction, vision solder inspection for shorts and opens, laser gauging, witness camera, inline preheat, and inline selective fluxing. The SS100A selective soldering system handles 300 by 300 PCV and has a repeatability of 0.05 millimeters. It has typically a 15-second index time. The Maestro operator interface accepts up to 16 motion axes and has infinite I/O and analog inputs. It is integrated for machine vision and uses Windows XP. CamConductor offline programming software allows you to scan bare board to create JPEG or bitmap images. JPEG or bitmap can be easily extracted from existing CAD or Gerber files. Nozzle sizes can be selected just like a paintbrush. Speeds and solder dwells are predetermined in the program but can be quickly adjusted if needed. You can select any number of predefined machine configurations such as rhythm, opus, and harmony and export them to the Maestro program. The Opus robotic platform, when coupled with the powerful Maestro software, has been called a factory in a box. The system can manage essentially an infinite amount of closed-loop servo motion, I/O, and analog data. In soldering process, the Opus has incorporated hot iron, laser, induction, hot gas, and other heat delivery methods. Systems have been fitted with up to 4 lasers, multiple vision systems, laser gauging, servo dispensing, pick and place, servo presses, pass-through, and slide conveyors, and much more. Talk to RPS about your unique soldering and automation needs. RPS customer selective solder applications have included systems for producing the world's longest superconducting wire, the world's first system for bonding sputtering targets in the semiconductor industry, the world's first line for automated rework of SMT PCB assemblies, silver paste ceramic coating systems used in the manufacture of cell phones, and many other unique lead attach, lead finish, and solder bonding applications. Robotic Process Systems Incorporated has a highly trained staff of professional design, software, and process engineers supported by qualified machine builders that are completely committed to the success of our customers. 25 years of experience provides a payoff that is evident in productivity, reliability, and soldering results of our systems. Robotic Process Systems is ready to serve your increasing demand for quality automated soldering systems.